Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change crouching controls for Apex Legends Mobile. So I'll be showing you how to change them from hold to tab. And first thing, we'll need to go to the settings, then controls, or actually gameplay, I'm sorry. And here you can change the crouching controls from tap or hold. So if you tap, that means you can press this question mark, and it should explain you the setting. But what it does when you tap it, you simply start crouching, and to uncrouch, to stand up, tap again. If you change it to hold, you simply press once and hold, then you crouch. When you release the button, you stop crouching. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.